Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. First of all, before we jump into the tutorial, I just want to say thank you so much for every one of you. All of you have been so kind. I wasn't expecting my channel to be viewed by so many people this soon since I've been joining YouTube. So thank you so much for all of your views, all of you that subscribe to my channel, as well as those of you that gives me a thumbs up. All of your support is helping so much my channel, and I'm very thankful. Thank you so much for that. So I just wanted to make sure I took some time to let you guys know that I'm so thankful for every one of you. So because my Valentine's DIY that I posted a while ago was very popular among all of you, and to say thank you, I just wanted to upload another tutorial of 4 easy Valentine's DIY projects that you can do using mainly Dollar Tree items, as well as some items that I got from the local dollar store, but I'm sure you can find similar items at the Dollar Tree as well. So if you're interested in seeing how to put together another 4 easy DIY Valentine's decor pieces, then keep watching. If you missed my last tutorial, I'll make sure to leave a link to my video at the end of this video as well. So for this first DIY, you would need one of the block calendars that you can find at the Dollar Tree. It comes in different designs. I took the one that has the elephant on it so that I can use the elephant for another project. You would also need a candle holder, some of those wooden craft cubes, an acrylic paint of your choice. I took red. You would also need a battery operated tea light candle. I also use these heart stems that I got at the dollar store here in Canada, but I'm sure you can find them at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm also going to use the green moss that you can find at the Dollar Tree. To begin, you want to take the candle holder as well as one of those wooden cubes, and using some hot glue, you just want to glue one of the blocks to the center of the candle holder. It will act as a support to glue the calendar on. Then you want to take a pair of scissors and just cut away the elephant on top. It's very easy to cut off. And then you just want to trim away any of the excess that you see around. Then you want to take the acrylic paint and just give it a rough coat around. So I'm just carefully painting the outside as well as the front rim of this block. After you're done painting, you just want to take one of those heart stems and cut it to size. I just used some scissors, but you can also use pliers to make it a bit more easier to cut. Then using hot glue, you just want to glue the whole thing to the rim of your calendar block. Then using hot glue, you just want to assemble the whole thing. So put some hot glue on top of the wooden square, and you can glue the calendar block on top. Now to cover around the wooden block, take some of those green moss and then just place them the way you like. I didn't use any hot glue or anything. I just placed mine around the wooden block just underneath the calendar, and then you can place the tea light underneath and you're done. So you guys, this is how it looks. I'm so in love with it. I think it looks super cute. I hope you give it a try. If you like this little tutorial, please leave my video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe as well. Let's jump into the next tutorial. All of the items that I'll be using will be linked in the description below. So for the second DIY, you would need these tall glass candles from the Dollar Tree, as well as some felt hearts. And using hot glue, you just want to place the hearts to the design that you like. Make sure not to burn yourself. The felt is very thin, so you can feel the heat through that, so make sure not to touch on top, and make sure you cover the whole heart underneath so that no pieces are lifting up. I then took some twine and I hot glued the beginning of each twine, and then I just wrapped around in two sections, and then just tightly pulling the twine, I just hot glued it in place. I then placed the candle on top of the glass holder, and I placed one of the Dollar Tree roses using hot glue to the bottom. So this is how it looks like. I think it looks super romantic. You can use it on top of a tabletop for a romantic dinner. The choice is yours. I hope you like this one as well. For DIY number 3, again, I'm going to list all of the materials in the description down below. So to begin, you want to take the drawer organizer and remove any labels that is on it, and then using the acrylic paint, you just want to give 3 coats of the paint to both the organizer as well as the candle holder. Once everything is dry, you want to flip around the drawer organizing unit and then take some hot glue and just glue the candle holder to the top corner. Then using hot glue, you just want to glue the Valentine's mailbox on top of the candle holder. I then took some brown acrylic paint and I did what I always love to do. I took some of the brown paint as well as a dry brush, and then just dabbing any of the excess paint, I just painted roughly on top of the bottom tray, just to give it some dimension, and anywhere that you're gonna see that there will be too much brown, I just went over with some white. I just wanted to give it some dimension instead of having just a white base. I then took another one of those Dollar Tree roses and I hot glued one of the rows to the bottom, and then I also took the leaves and I hot glued that as well. I then took the Valentine's Day cards that I got at the dollar store. I cut them in half so that it fits the right size, and then I took a pen and placed all of that on top of the tray. So this is how it looks like at the end. I think it looks super amazing. I'm sure my kids will enjoy writing letters for each other and just putting inside the mailbox. I think it's such a cute idea, and I hope you like it as well. So the items for the last DIY projects will also be in the description down below. So this last DIY is a Valentine's farmhouse style book decor. I have seen many versions from amazing YouTubers, and this is my version of it. So you would need 3 books from the dollar store, and then you would remove the front cover, and using some acrylic paint, you're just gonna paint the cover of the book. I only covered the areas that was showing, so the first book I covered the top as well, and the other ones I'm just gonna paint the sides. After the paint is dry, I'm gonna take some ribbon and I'm just gonna hot glue that to the ends of the book. I found this ribbon at the Dollar Tree. I also took some twine from the Dollar Tree and I also hot glued that just next to the ribbon. Then taking a pencil, I just freestyled and I wrote Valentine's on the first book, as well as 25 cents in the second, and the third one I wrote Hugs and Kisses. And then I'm going to use a Sharpie pen as well as some paint, and then I'm going to trace over that using some black paint as well as a black Sharpie. to finish it off, I took another one of those roses from the Dollar Tree, and then I hot glued that just underneath the ribbon, just to tie in everything. So this is how it looks like at the end. I think it looks amazing. It gives that farmhouse vibe, and I love how it looks on my buffet. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this one as well. I hope you enjoyed all the tutorials. So those were the 4 Valentine's DIY projects. I hope you enjoyed them. If you do, please leave my video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have lots planned, so you want to make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of them. So till my next video, thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you for supporting my channel. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. Stay safe.